Would you like to see how I got my skin looking this way, guys? You need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys the secrets of how my skin got to this point. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine, the products that I use and how I go about using this product in this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first product I'm going to be using in this video is my cleanser, and this is the one from Dr. G pH cleansing foam. So this is the first step in every skincare routine. You need to cleanse your face. You need to get rid of all those dirt so that other skincare products can penetrate into your skin properly. You guys, you can actually get any face cleanser of your choice. We have very affordable face cleansers. We have the simple. We have so many amazing face cleansers you can get out there, but make sure that you get a very good face cleanser, a face cleanser that is good for your skin type. Okay, so this is me taking the cleanser around my face and rubbing it around my face. I did this for 60 seconds anyways, and I'm going to wash it off. Now this is it. I've washed it off my face, and I'm going to be going over to the second routine, and this is a toner. So this is the Dear Claire's subtle preparation unscented toner. Now this toner is an amazing toner. It is a toner that I've been using for a long time. Now can you see, like, the toner is almost gone. I'm literally forcing it out of the bottom. So I'm applying this around my face as well. Now this toner will help to balance my skin's pH, and it's actually very, very mild. So you can actually get any toner of your choice. There's so many amazing toners out there you can actually try out. Okay, now I'm pressing this on my face to allow the toner penetrate, or rather go into my skin. Now because my toner was not enough, and I told you that I was forcing it out, I had to go in with a mist for that extra hydration. Now this is the Dear Claire's mist. This is their mist, and this is for like extra hydration. If you want to give your skin that extra hydration, especially during Harmattan or winter period, can go for it. Now this is the third step, and this is me using my serum. Guys, you need to get a serum in your skincare routine. If you don't know what serums are, I have explained serums in my video, and I'm going to leave the link of that video on the description box. Guys, this is the Face Facts Vitamin C serum. Guys, this serum is an amazing serum, and since I've been using it, I've noticed like slight changes on my skin, especially when it comes to brightening. I've noticed it, and this serum is an amazing serum. Guys, you need to actually get a very good vitamin C serum, especially in the daytime, because it helps to prevent free radicals, and it also helps to an antioxidant that is generally good for the skin. So you need to get one. Guys, you can see me pressing this into my skin to allow it to go right into my skin properly well. Now the fourth step is a moisturizer, and this one is from Mary and May, and is their sensitive soothing gel blemish cream. Guys, this one is a gel, and it's so amazing. Like for my skin type, I have an oily skin, so I would not want a moisturizer that will be so heavy on my skin. So I am actually applying this on my skin. You can actually get any moisturizer that you feel is suitable, or that is good for your skin type. You can get a cream, you can get a lotion, but this is a gel cream. Okay, just get what's good for your skin. Just go for what is best for your skin. Okay, and get a very good face moisturizer. Now I'm applying this around my face, and I'm taking it also to my neck. Do not forget, anything you use on your face should also get to your neck as well. Then I'm going to just press it into my skin. Then now the fifth step is my sunscreen. This is very important. This is the Gavia sunblock, and the other one that I showed is the Dr. G soothing sun cream. Guys, this Gavia, I use Gavia for my body, at times for my face, while this Dr. G, I use it for my face, mostly on my face. Okay, now this Dr. G is a chemical sunscreen. That is one of the reasons why I use it on my face. Now look at me applying it on my face, and I'm going to take it around my face and blend it all over my face. Guys, it's very important for you to use a sunscreen in the daytime, no matter the weather, be it winter, Harmattan. As long as the sun is out, or rather it is daytime, guys, use a sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen is not overemphasized enough, so use the sunscreen. It is very important. Now guys, can you see how my skin is glowing? Can you see how I'm feeling myself in this video? Guys, I'm feeling myself a lot in this. I was just feeling myself a lot in this video. I even like put my head down at some point, my hair, and I was just like showing you guys how my skin is. Now I'm going to go back to hearing my own voice in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So what you saw was my skincare routine and the products, or rather I will say some of the products that I use in my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know on the comment section what your thoughts are about the products, about this video, and about my routine. And also, if you have any other video you would like me to make for you, let me know also on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So till then, bye.